So I'm here at Namaste Village with my amigos and mi amigas, and we're going to do some tapping on overeating. And you can relate this to over anything. When you have a void and you start to feel the compulsive need to fill it with something other than love. So we can all relate to this. But we are going to focus on overeating. So just tapping on the points. Even though I compulsively overeat, I choose to love and accept myself anyway.
I choose to love and accept myself anyway.
Even though I have some judgments about how much I stuff my face.
Even though I have some judgments about how much I stuff my face.
I choose to love and honor myself right now.
I choose to love and honor myself right now.
Even though eating is meeting a lot of my needs.
Even though eating is meeting a lot of my needs.
And there are some needs I wish I could get met in other ways.
And there are some needs I wish I could get met in other ways.
Like emotional nurturing. Emotional comfort. I choose to love, honor, and accept myself.
I choose to love, honor, and accept myself.
And forgive myself. For confusing love and food. Because that's the way I was taught to be. And I'm willing to undo my programming. And do something new. I eat too much.
I eat too much.
I eat for all the wrong reasons.
I eat for all the wrong reasons.
And when I eat for emotional reasons, I feel so full. Heavy. Like so dense. Like I just want to go to sleep. It helps me disappear. And a part of me wants to disappear. A part of me feels like that's the best thing I could do. Just get heavy. And go to sleep. Oh, it feels so nurturing. By the way, those of you listening at home, there's like bombs going off around us, but we're all safe. It feels so good. Until it doesn't feel good. And I'm scared I don't have any control. Any say in when to stop eating. I just love eating. I love feeling full. And I hate feeling empty. I feel really scared to just let myself be empty. Like there is a void.
There's this void.
And it's so scary.
I'll
do anything to avoid the void. Maybe there's a lot of grief in there. And the warm food feels so comforting. So I don't have to be with my grief. Maybe there's anger. And all this food just calms me down. Maybe it's anxiety. Maybe it's just so scary to be me. To face the world. With all this anxiety. And food helps so much.
And food helps so much.
Calm the anxiety.
Calm the anxiety.
All these reasons for overeating.
All these reasons for overeating.
All this need to find another way to comfort myself.
All this need to find other ways to comfort myself.
I want to love myself.
I want to love myself.
I want to feel God's love.
I want to feel God's love.
I want to walk this earth lightly.
I want to walk this earth lightly.
Like a bird.
Like a bird.
Who just eats a little bit of food.
Just eats a little bit of it.
And then flies through the sky.
And then flies through the sky.
With total freedom.
With total freedom.
I want that freedom.
I want that freedom.
But I'm also scared of that freedom.
I'm also scared of that freedom.
I'm scared of flying so high.
I'm scared of flying so high.
So food slows me down.
So food slows me down.
And it grounds me.
And it grounds me.
Keeps me on the ground.
Keeps me on the ground.
Jesus, food grounds me.
Jesus, food grounds me.
Like I'm grounded.
Like I'm grounded.
Like I'm punished.
Like I'm punished.
Like I'm banished to be on the earth.
Like I'm banished to be on the earth.
And to feel heavy.
And feel heavy.
Like somehow I think I'm worthy and deserving.
Like somehow I think I'm worthy and deserving.
Of feeling this heaviness.
Of feeling this heaviness.
Instead of this lightness.
Instead of this lightness.
What if this lightness
was
totally who I really am?
Was totally who I really am.
And what if it was safe?
And what if it was safe
to be who I really am?
To be who I really am.
What if I can take a few bites of food?
What if I could take a few bites of food?
And then just breathe.
And then just breathe.
And say, thank you, universe.
And say, thank you, universe.
I am nurtured and nourished.
I am nurtured and nourished.
I don't need to be full.
I don't need to be full.
To be free.
To be free.
I can release these old habits.
I can release these old habits.
And just play with something new.
Just play with something new.
Like every bite of food.
Like every bite of food
is sacred. And I take my time.
And I take my time.
And I savor every bite.
And I savor every bite.
And I say, hi, belly.
And I say, hi, belly.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
I am going to love you forever.
I'm going to love you forever.
And we're going to enjoy this meal.
And we're going to enjoy this meal.
Slowly.
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 And we'll notice.
We'll notice.
When we've had enough.
When we've had enough.
Because enough is enough.
Because enough is enough.
And the rest of the day we can just love ourselves.
And the rest of the day we can just love ourselves.
Because love is our favorite food.
Because love is our favorite food.
Love is delicious.
Love is delicious.
Love is nutritious.
Love is nutritious.
And love fills the void.
And love fills the void.
It fills the emptiness.
It fills the emptiness.
And I love love.
I love love.
More than chocolate.
More than chocolate.
I am in love with love.
I am in love with love.
And I snack on it every day.
And I snack on it every day.
In body, mind, and spirit.
In body, mind, and spirit.
Woohoo! Holy moly! It was good, huh?
Yeah, that would be